Come in close, because the more you think you see, the easier it will be to fool you. This pen trick will make even the most skeptical person believe in real magic. The magician has a playing card, a pen, and a $100 bill. He shows each of these cleanly at his fingertips to the spectator. He tells the spectator that he's going to show them something impossible, so they need to watch carefully. He takes the card and cleanly folds it in half. The spectator looks to see if any funny moves go on, but they see nothing. He takes the bill and places it inside the card. This is clean and fair, and he shows the card and bill from all angles to showcase that there's really nothing to hide. He then takes the pen and places it inside the card and the bill, again showing this from all sides, and gets the spectators to confirm that the pen is really inside there. The magician then tells the spectator to take their finger and push the pen through the bill and through the card. The pen goes right through, and the spectator is even allowed to pull it out. You can clearly see the hole that the pen has left from where it penetrated the bill and the card. The magician then did something impossible. He removed the card to show that it now had a hole in it. However, he then slowly and cleanly opened up the bill, and amazingly, there is no hole. He displayed both sides of the bill at his fingertips, as there was really nothing to hide. This is the pen trick that shouldn't be possible.
Hey, what's up everyone, Oscar Owen here, and very quickly before I teach you how to do this effect, I just wanted to quickly mention that you can learn way more tricks like this one on my online card course, Card Magic Pro. Card Magic Pro is a course that I've created and it will teach you how to do all the greatest card tricks in the world. I reveal the exact card tricks that I would do if someone gave me a deck of cards and told me to perform. So if you want to learn effects that are just way too good to reveal on YouTube, then please click the first link in the description and check out the course. It really does help support the channel, and you'll learn what I think are some of the best magic tricks out there.
In order to do this trick, you need a playing card, a dollar bill, and a pen. The secret lies in the fact that there's actually a little trapdoor that you're going to make in the bill, which the pen will pass through. As you can see, I've got an X-Acto knife, and I've cut a little slit in one half of the bill. On the dollar bill, find the circle and cut a slit, as you can see here. You only cut half the circle, as you can see on the screen. Once you've cut the hole, you're ready to begin. Take the playing card and fold it in half. Then take the bill, and with the gimmick side closer to you, fold it lengthways. Don't fold it directly in half, but have a little lip at the top, so that the side with the gimmick is 3 centimeters shorter than the non-gimmick side of the bill, as shown. Then take the longer side and fold it downwards, as shown. Place this all into the card. Now when inserting the pen, you can simply put it through the hole in the note. Then proceed to push it through the card. When you open the bill, just place your fingers over the slit and the spectators will never see it. This is a fantastic trick where once you've done it once, you can just keep this bill in your pocket or in your wallet, and you're ready to blow people's minds wherever you are.
Thanks so much for watching this video, and if you're interested in Card Magic Pro, then click the first link in the description.